When you're running a bookkeeping business, it's easy to feel like you need to go and above and beyond all the time to impress your clients. But the truth is, there are small things, just quick wins that can make a big impact without adding extra work to your plate. One of the easiest ones is just sending a quick monthly summary, nothing fancy, just a simple email that says, hey, here's what your income and expenses look like this month. Let me know if you want to chat about anything. Clients really love this because it makes them feel informed and in control. And for you, it's just putting together a quick report and typing up a few lines so it doesn't take up too much time out of your day. Another one is naming your files, folders, or reports clearly. You'd be quite surprised actually how many clients are blown away by just having a folder labeled tax year 2024 or a report called March 2024 profit and loss final. It makes their life so much easier, which makes you look more professional and put together. And even though it takes just barely any extra time, it really does make an impact and it does really affect and impact how your clients perceive you and your work. And then something else that you can do to give a really good impression to new clients is to send them an onboarding document. You can create a simple branded template in Canva using one of the existing templates and just tweaking it. And what you can include in that onboarding package is a checklist of what they need to provide to you every month if you're working with them on a monthly basis, how communication is going to work, timelines that you'll be working with, and answers to any questions that maybe they didn't even know they had. This document will really just give clients a smooth, confident start, and it also saves you time from repeating the same things every single time you bring on a new client. And then also use tools that make things smoother for your clients. Something like Doc or even just a simple Google Drive folder where they can drop their receipts really does make a difference. And when you set these things up once, you show them how to use it, they feel like they're working with someone who's really got a solid system and isn't just winging it. You really don't have to push yourself to over deliver or burn yourself out when you want to make a great impression with your clients. Just think about what makes things easier and clearer for them and build that into your regular workflow. These little touches and personalizations honestly go a really long way and they can make you stand out without piling more onto your to do list.